And in this video we are going to learn how to identify the different things whatever they have given in a figure. So this is a four-sided figure which you are seeing, and we usually call a four-sided closed figure as a quadrilateral. So yes, this is a quadrilateral. So here the markings are given, the namings are given, the points are mentioned, inside points, everything is mentioned, and here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the questions. So now we will see how to find these triangle, quadrilateral angles and whatever this all, have to find it from the given figure. So first, observe keenly the given figure. What are the outside point, what are the inside points, everything you will be observing clearly, and then start writing your answers. So first one is triangle. So if you see in this figure, you can see that there are some triangles inside in this, because this line is marked and you can see this is a one triangle, this completely is one triangle, and again inside two triangles you can see. Means on a total you can see four triangles are there in this picture. So now you have to write down these names. So start with one triangle. So I'm starting with this triangle, the bigger one, SRQ, and the other bigger one, SPQ, and inside the small ones I'm writing now. So SPO and POQ. So you can change the order. Means if a POQ is there, you can write QOP or OQP. You can write it, but don't write the same triangle once again. The four triangles should be named differently. And next one, quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is nothing but the four-sided figure whatever they have given you. You can either start from any point. So I'm starting from the point P. So continue P, Q, R, S. That's all. So whichever point you are starting, you will be writing it continuously. So for example, if I start with Q, Q, R, S, P, that will be a quadrilateral. But don't jump here and there. So just go in a one clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. And next, they only gave you angles. If they only mention angles, you can write what are the angles you can see in this. You can see only four angles, that is angle S, angle P, angle Q, angle R. You can write them directly like this. But if at all they ask you opposite angles, so take one vertex, means this S letter is called as vertex. Take one point and whatever the opposite you can see, that will be its pair of a opposite angle. So opposite angles will be writing in the form of pairs. So angle S, comma angle Q are one pair of opposite angle. The other pair, angle P, angle R. Angle P, comma angle R. So this is like how you write the opposite angle. Next, opposite side. So if you see that at this side, the opposite is this one. If you see this side, the opposite is that side. So you will be writing SP, comma RQ and semicolon. This is must because these are like pairings. You have to mark them. And next, SR, comma PQ. So SP, QRQ, SR, PQ. You'll be writing like this. Next, exterior point. Exterior point means outside point. What are the outside points you can see? K, comma, H. Interior points, only one. What is that? O. So that will be your interior points. Now, adjacent side. So adjacent side is nothing but start with one vertex. What are its extension? You will write like that. Like you will be getting four sets of extension. So adjacent side, I am starting with S. So it will be SP and SR. Put a semicolon, go for P. PS, PQ. After that, Q. QP, QR. Next, R. The last one we are left over with diagonal. So a diagonal is nothing but which is passing, a line segment is passing from one side, I mean one vertex to its opposite vertex. So one vertex to its opposite vertex, whatever the line you can see, that we will call it as diagonal. But we are not considering this as a diagonal because this is not touching to the other end. But only this from S to Q, this line segment is touching to the other side. So you will be writing the diagonal for the given figure is SQ. So by this we'll complete identifying whatever the questions they ask you. In this way you have to identify and write the letters, the naming of it accordingly. This angle should be very clearly mentioned, and if they are pair, like opposite angles, you should pair them. Opposite sides, you should pair them. Adjacent sides, you should pair them. So you need to place a semicolon and you need to separate them.